Hey guys, welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing something that I'm pretty excited. This is a slim solar panel. So check it out guys, this is the flat solar panel, and let me tell you guys, this is thin, lightweight, so much nicer to move around than our other solar panels that we have. So I'll show you the other ones we have now. So this is a part of my bigger solar power system, and as you can see, these are big, bulky, heavy metal panels. Alright, with the panel now directly laying outside in the sun, we're hitting 41 watts. Alright, check it out. So we're pulling in 48 watts, and there's already this gap in our wood, so we just drilled right out there. Now we're going to seal this off. And yeah, pretty happy. So 52 watts at the moment. What I'm noticing when you first put it out there, that as it heats up, it actually generates more watts than not. We had it up to 70 watts so far. Yeah, so it's at 54 right now, 57. So yeah, as it heats up and as it gets charging, it really charges. So this is just awesome. We're going to be able to set up our fridge and other stuff, and we're going to save a lot more money this way. And just like that, we got it plugged in. Now we got to go and plug everything else in, but the solar panel works great.